Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed subtraction with bigger numbers. In this video we will learn the subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Today our topic is subtraction of 2-digit numbers. If we subtract 4 from 16, we can see that 16 is the 2-digit number and 6 is placed at units place. 1 is placed at tens place, whereas 4 is only 1-digit number. So 4 is placed at units place. Here a chart has been shown. In the right side there is unit, and in the left side there is tens column. We will write 6 in units place and 1 in the tens place. It makes 16. And we will write 4 in units column because in the second number there is only unit given. We have to subtract 4 from 16 and we use this sign to show the subtraction. First of all, we have to subtract units. We will subtract 4 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 we have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are left with 1, 2. So we will write 2 in units column. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. In tens column there is only 1. In the second number there is 0. So if we subtract 0 from 1, yes, you know very well, but it comes if we subtract 0 from any number. It comes the same number. If we subtract 0 from 1, we are left with 1. It means if we subtract 4 from 16, we are left with 12. Let's take another example. We have to subtract 5 from 18. The place value of 8 is units. The place value of 1 is tens, as 18 is the 2-digit number, whereas place value of 5 is units. Here we will place both these numbers. We will place 8 in units column and 1 in tens column and 5 in units column, and we will use the symbol of subtraction. First of all, we will subtract units. We have to subtract 5 units from 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 we have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are left with 1, 2, 3. It means if we subtract 5 from 8, we are left with 3. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. In tens column there is 1 and there is nothing to subtract from it. It means there is 0. And if we subtract 0 from any number, what it comes? It comes 1. It means if we subtract 5 from 18, we are left with 13. Let's take another example. Here we have 12 and 10. We have to subtract 10 from 12. 2 is placed at units place. And place value of 1 is tens. Place value of 0 is units and place value of 1 is tens. We will subtract both of them by writing them vertically. In this chart we will place these numbers. 2 in the units column and 1 in tens column. and the next number is 10. We will place 0 in units column and 1 in the tens column, and we will use the symbol of subtraction. First of all, we have to subtract the units. We can see that we have to subtract 0 units from 2 units. From 2, if we subtract 0, it means we are getting the same number. We are left with 2. 1, 2. So we will write 2 in units column. After this subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. In tens, we have to subtract 1 from 1. If we subtract the same number, we are left with 1. We are subtracting 1 from it. We are left with 0. So we are left with 0 here. We have to subtract 22 from 33. 3 is placed at units place, whereas this 3 is placed at tens place. In 22, the 2 that is on the right side is placed at units place, whereas 2 on the left side is placed at tens place. We write these numbers in this chart. Here the 3 we will write in units column and 3 in the tens column, as both are the same numbers. As 22 is the 2-digit number, so we will place the 2 in units column and 1, 2 in the tens column, that is on the left side. We use the symbol of subtraction. First of all, we have to subtract the units. We will subtract 2 from 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to subtract 2. 1, 2, and we are left with 1. So we write 1 in units column. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 2 tens out of 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. We have to subtract 2. 1, 2, and we are left with 1. So we will write 1 in tens column. If we subtract 22 out of 33, we are left with 11. Here we have another example. We have to subtract 36 from 46. 6 that is on the right side is placed at units place, and 4 is placed at tens place. In 36, the 6 on the right side is placed in units place, and 3 is placed at tens place. In the chart, if we write these numbers, we will write 6 in units column and 4 in tens column. Whereas the second number, we will write 6 in units column and 3 in tens column, and we use the subtraction symbol. First of all, we subtract the units. We have to subtract 6 units out of 6 units. If we subtract the same number, what answer we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, if we have to subtract 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are left with 0. It means if we subtract 6 out of 6, we are left with 0. We will write 0 in units column. After this subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 3 tens from 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. And here we are left with 1. So we write 1 in tens column. If we subtract 36 out of 46, we are left with 10. In this video, we have discussed vertical subtraction of 2-digit numbers. In the next video, we will learn some MCQs on subtraction. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.